A lot of people ask me, how do I network? What's networking? What can I do to be successful at it? What tips do you have for me? So here are some of the things that I talk about. So the first off with networking is you have to know what your network is. You know, it's not some event you go to at some hotel ballroom where you walk around and you're exchanging business cards with a bunch of other people. Yes, that is networking, but I find that it's not very productive. It's more hit and miss. So the first thing is you've got to really define your network. So your network is a whole bunch of people. It's all your friends and your family. Who do you know? Your network is everyone that you're connected with on Facebook. Your network is everyone that's on LinkedIn. And LinkedIn is a fantastic tool that's designed for networking of business people. So if you're not on LinkedIn, get on it, make a profile, and if you are on it, beef up your profile. It never hurts to add people to your network on LinkedIn. Also, what's your network from sports you might play, from the schools you went to, church groups you might belong to, where you volunteer. Those are all people in your network. Those are all people that are there that can be a resource for you. What's the next thing you need to know about networking? Well, it's what's your message? Who are you? You know, if you just say, hi, you know what, I'm Michael, I'm looking for a new job in accounting, well, that's not very specific and no one can really help you. But when you get really clear on your message that's based in self-awareness of who you are and what you specifically might be looking for, then people can assist you. And that's the next thing. What are you looking for? You know, it might be that, yes, you want to get a new career, but there's some steps that have to happen first. You may first want to network. Let's say you want to get into the car business. You think maybe I want to be a car salesman and work up in that. So great. The first thing you might want to do is not look for intros to be, you know, job opportunities in car dealerships. What you might want to do first is be able to talk to people that are car salesmen and talk to people that sell cars and say, what is it like? Do informational interviews with people. What's it like every day to be in the car business? What's it like to sell cars? What do you do on Monday? What do you do on Tuesday? What do you do on Saturday? And really get a sense of what it is like to be in that business. And out of those informational interviews, often you get job opportunities. But what you may be networking for isn't the job, but actually getting informational interviews, being connected to people that do this kind of stuff. So be clear on what you want. And here's the last one, and this is what people I find very rarely do when they network, is that when they're networking, they're out for what can you get from the other person. And I always think you should end a networking conversation, whether it be a minute long, 5 minutes long, or however long it might be, by asking the other person what you can do for them. How you can contribute to them, how can you support them, what you can do for them. Make it a two-way street. Make it that you're both adding value to each other. You're not just out to have someone add to you. So, you know, really in summing up, how big is your network? It's bigger than you think, and look at all those people around you. Be clear on your message, who you are. Be clear on what you want to accomplish from networking. And make sure you always look for opportunities to contribute to the other person so you can add value to each other. I hope you found this blog useful, and have a brilliant day. Thanks for listening.